Alright, you guys, I have a request to make a video of how I use the coffee grounds in pothos ivy plant. So what I'm sharing with you out here on the balcony today is I have some devil ivy potho cuttings, and I have some dirt. I have a little container I'm going to put this plant in, cuttings in, and I have my coffee grounds here. So the request was, how do you mix the coffee grounds? How did you mix the coffee grounds in the dirt for your plant? So that's what I'm sharing, and I might have news too. Well, I'm doing this without a camera stand, so I'm gonna turn the camera toward me so I can say hello to you guys. I guess it's recording. Let me take a look. Get my hand out the way. Oh, okay. So, hello everyone. I've been requested to make a video of how I mix coffee grounds in the dirt to grow the pothos devil's ivy plant. I'm gonna show y'all my big plant that I've been growing outside here on the balcony. Hope y'all can hear me. There it is right there. Even got a piece of burro's tail growing in there if y'all can see it. Alright, back to me. Alright, so what I'm about to do now, hopefully you guys can see me and I'm not too close where y'all all up in my mouth. Hey everyone. Hey family. Hi friends. Y'all. What's up? Hope y'all checked out my previous video. Yes, I said white folks quit killing people of color. Quit purging us. I hope y'all watching the news, seeing what's going on. But I had to share some news because I'm about to make this video. Yes, I'm demonstrating how I mix dirt with the coffee grounds. So I'm about to do that. I have to take the camera off of me and put it back on the hope the camera is on me. Hope y'all ain't seeing nothing y'all shouldn't be seeing. But anyway, I'm about to put the camera back on the dirt. Here we go. So I'm going to take this coffee grounds here and just mix it. See, it's falling in the dirt. That's the coffee grounds I'm putting in the dirt. Like that. See that? Now this thing goes back to my coffee maker. Okay, and now requester. See, all I'm doing is just thoroughly mixing it into the dirt. As you can see that, look at that. Just gently incorporating it into the dirt. Just like that. Easy peasy. And you know the coffee grounds just act like a fertilizer. And what I've read, the coffee grounds are good for plants that like acid. And this is just a money saver, I guess, if you drink coffee or you know where to get the grounds from. Okay, so I just mixed it all in there. Now, next step, hold on, because I only got one hand. I'm gonna try and hopefully the camera don't cut off. So you see me sprinkling some into my pot that I'm gonna put my little cuttings in. Then I'll have to do an update to see how if I getting in the the growth. So we're just gonna stick the cuttings into the pot. Okay, I'm gonna cut these down a little bit more. Okay guys, I cut the I prepared the cuttings, the pothos, devil ivies, whatever you want to call it, cuttings into 5 parts. So I'll just take it and just, you know, poke it in the dirt, the root end in the dirt. Excuse my hand for showing. Yes, it's ashy and dirty, but what can I say? I only got one hand to do this. Hold on. Putting them in the dirt here. Hold on one second, y'all. Okay, I'm back. I just had to completely put them in the pot so I can show you guys. So, what's the date? May 29th? Yep, May 29th. Okay, so I'll give this a few days and see if it takes off. So that's how I use coffee grounds in my plant. You've seen how I do that. I hope it showed on here. And, yeah, y'all Google the news and see what's going on out here in America. Because I still say white folks have lost their ever-loving mind. And they need to be checked big time. Stop purging and killing black, well, I keep saying people of color. And I need to say that in this video. In all my videos, I'll say stop purging and killing people of color. Stop acting like y'all crazy and don't know what y'all doing. People fed up. I hope y'all looking at the news, seeing all the protests going on across the nation, across the United States and all around. Protests. Because people sick and tired of being mistreated and disrespected. And then I hope y'all seen that video of that white girl in the park deliberately, purposely calling cops on a black man, saying that she was threatened and she lied. That's the most absolute revealing sight of racism you could ever see, is watching her using her white privilege and her white entitlement to try and kill somebody of color by calling the police on somebody. And that was not even the case. She was saying that wasn't happening. She was lying. Wonder if she's going to jail. Probably not, because she's white. But one day, America, one day. Alright, thank y'all for coming here and watching this. Thanks for coming in here and watching how I use coffee grounds in my plants. And the person who requested this, I hope this helped. Sorry I had to put a rant in the video, but I'm not sorry. And to the new supporters, thank you guys. Welcome back, all y'all. Keep watching my videos. Share them if you like. Bye.